al-ma'un, the acts of kindness, with the name of Allah, the most gracious, the ever merciful.
أَرَأَيْتَ الَّذِي يُكَذِّبُ بِالدِّينِ
Have you considered the case of one who belies the requital and faith?
فَذَلِكَ الَّذِي يَدُعُّ الْيَتِيمَ
As a result of this, despicable fellow, instead of taking care of him with affection, repulses the orphan.
وَلَا يَحُضُّ عَلَى طَعَامِ الْمِسْكِينِ
And does not urge in feeding of the needy.
فَوَيْلٌ لِلْمُصَلِّينَ
So woe to those who pray,
الَّذِينَ هُمْ عَنْ صَلَاتِهِمْ سَاهُونَ
but are unmindful of their prayer and ignore the spirit and aim of it.
الَّذِينَ هُمْ يُرَاءُونَ
And they like only to be seen of people while they make a show of their deeds.
وَيَمْنَعُونَ الْمَاعُونَ
And who withhold legal alms and other acts of kindness, starting from the zakat to the lowest form of lending ordinary things of utility like a needle or a piece of thread to a neighbor.